Tesla stock have just triggered an explosive pattern, indicating more rally ahead. The next explosion is imminent, and it seems this rally is unstoppable. So how far could Tesla go from here before hitting the next resistance level? Are there any danger signals indicating that Tesla could correct from here? By the end of this video, you will have the answer to all these questions. My name is Nathan, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. Let's start our technical analysis on Tesla stock. What kind of explosive pattern Tesla is triggering right now? Well, it is breaking free from this trap zone. Tesla in the 1 hour chart, Tesla was inside a trap zone between the resistance level at $200 and the ascending 21 exponential moving average, which was working as a support level on Tesla. And eventually we had to see a breakout. We just couldn't figure to which direction this breakout would materialize. Right now we are doing an upwards breakout, and if I recall correctly, I think this is the first upwards breakout from a trap zone that I see on Tesla in more than 1 year, if I recall correctly. So this is quite impressive. Usually we see a very nice and explosive movement after the breakout, and right now Tesla is breaking the $200. This is quite important. We will get back to the $200 later. Now let's take a quick look at the daily chart. In the daily chart, the rally seems just unstoppable, right? Do we see any top sign, any bearish indicator right now? No, there's not a single dangerous bearish sign on Tesla yet. While it was trading below the $200, the situation was quite complex, was quite dangerous, but right now it seems Tesla is trying to do an upwards breakout, and this is very good. The most important support level on Tesla is $182.50 if you want a more specific number. So this red line over here is our most important support level on Tesla. Only if Tesla loses this red line, 182, a sharper pullback is going to materialize. Right now, there's not a single bearish evidence pointing to this direction. There is no evidence indicating that Tesla is going to correct, or even that is going to do a harmless pullback, right? No, there's not a single top sign on Tesla in the 1 hour chart, neither in the daily chart. If we take a look at the weekly chart, Tesla is heading to the 50% Fibonacci's retracement around 209, which is a technical resistance, but in my humble opinion, it is a secondary resistance because the $237 is the next technical resistance on Tesla. This key point over here did work as a resistance on Tesla on November 2022, and it is at the same time the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. So although we have a key resistance around the 50%, the 209, 208 area, in my humble opinion, this is a secondary resistance. If we see a top sign in this area, okay, maybe Tesla is going to trigger a pullback, maybe it is going to even trigger a sharper pullback in the daily chart, correcting all the way down to the 21 EMA again, but this is not enough to ruin the bullish bias in the daily chart and in the short term in the 1 hour chart as well. Now, the 61.8% is a more relevant, emblematic resistance level because in the weekly chart, Tesla is still bearish, okay? It is still bearish. It is still a bear trend. Since November 2021, Tesla has been doing nothing but lower highs, lower lows. So the real challenge, in my humble opinion, it is going to be to break the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. And right now, so far in the weekly chart, Tesla has no meaningful bullish structures. It is not doing higher highs, higher lows, right? It is totally different than when it was in 2020, 2021 over here. So the situation is likely different because since this bear market started, we have yet to see Tesla doing actual bullish structure. So this is the only problem on Tesla right now in the weekly chart. Of course, in the weekly chart. Now, do you remember the $200? Why it is so important for Tesla to break the $200? I'm gonna show to you guys options, right? Options wise, we see a huge spike on calls around $200 expiring February 10 in 2 days. So in addition, the maximum pain is around 185, so we are way above the maximum pain, and we see a huge wall of calls around $200. So investors are trying to push Tesla beyond this point over here. Investors want to see Tesla breaking the $200 in order to see their $200 calls appreciating in value. So this is why it is so important and it is so interesting to see Tesla breaking the $200. We see another huge spike on volume on calls expiring February 10 around $200 again. So yes, many investors are trying to push Tesla beyond this point. Of course, the bears are not going to make this fight too easy. Therefore, we saw some struggle under the $200 this week, but right now it seems we are trying to break this mark. And since we are here, join us, join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market. Our family is doing very well on Tesla. I think this year is going to be our best year so far, so it looks very promising. So join the top 5% family. The link to my website is in the description. Now back to Tesla. In the monthly chart, the situation could not be more promising because we officially triggered this piercing line candlestick pattern above the support level. The candlestick so far this month is clearly bullish. Of course, the month just started, but still, Tesla looks very promising right now. So we reversed the trend. We are in a bull trend in the 1 hour chart, in the daily chart. In the weekly chart, we are not there yet, but in the monthly chart, we see a very promising bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So everything is pointing to a bullish reversal structure in the long term as well. The only thing missing over here in the weekly chart is a crystal clear bullish reversal structure. Right now, it all depends on how Tesla is going to behave after the breakout of the $200. If we see a fake breakout, if we see a bearish candlestick pattern tomorrow triggering a possible bull trap, well, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button. I mean, you probably like it, the content so far, am I right? So why not subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis? I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla's price action. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.